Really?
Okay, so what was your concern with the proposed wetland mapping?
My concern is that we've had a problem with the wetlands now for a number of years. And, you know, there was a time when the province said that there would be about 4% of the province would be wetlands. Right now in Fredericton, that's almost up to 50%. We have developers all over the province in a state of limbo right now, waiting for regulations because they don't know what to do. We have developers all over the province right now that have invested a lot of money in properties with the idea that they would be creating new subdivisions, new development projects that are on hold right now. And a lot of their property has been delineated with wetlands or potential wetlands or what could be wetlands, making their project probably not very financially feasible. So we're in a state of flux right now, and my point has been that yes, we all are in favor of supporting a good environment, but there has to be a balance. It has to be somewhere in the middle, and if you go to either side and throw that balance out, then you're in big trouble. And that's precisely what the Environment Department has been doing. They're taking this way too far. And basically there's no developable land left in a province that needs investment, that needs construction to increase tax bases, to create jobs. We cannot afford the luxury of turning developers and turning people off and making them jump through these hoops and ruining, in fact, ruining their investments that they have, including the City of Fredericton that has invested a lot of money in our Doak Road, because that is a potential area for new development, as we did on Brookside Drive. But now, as we see with the new map and waiting for regulations, most of that land is not going to be used because of the environmental restrictions on it, which means we can't service it with buses because there is no critical mass there. There will not be enough people. So, you know, they really have to take a good hard look at the Department of the Environment and clean that place up. It's not the environment that needs cleaning, it's the Environment Department that needs cleaning.
And you were saying also that it's not, some areas are being labeled as wetlands that aren't really wetlands.
We are in the construction now of our Grant Harvey facility on the south side. And that is a designated, so-called designated wetland. Well, we spent most of last summer watering it to keep the dust down. That's the kind of wetland that we're talking about. Mm-hmm. We had to spend money to put water on it to keep the dust down. So, you know, usually after it rains, there's a whole lot more wetlands in the province. That's ludicrous. I mean, and this isn't just affecting the City of Fredericton. I'm getting calls from people all over the province, and people are very, very unhappy. I mean, this is just, it's unfair, it's unnecessary, it's unwarranted, and has to be dealt with.
Thank you.
Great, thanks, John.
Can you tell me a bit about the meeting on Thursday? What's that going to be about?
The meeting on Thursday, I was speaking with Minister Blaney's office yesterday. She is out of town, so unable to attend. Mm-hmm. I also got an email yesterday from the Environment Department about these upcoming meetings. I believe ours is on March the 14th. And so I will have a member of the